Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Sitting in the upper 70s in Medford right now, low 70s in Wairika. It's going to be a fairly mild night tonight, 61 degrees along the coast in Gold Beach and 61 in Klamath Falls. The thunderstorm activity mostly wrapped up. We got a few lingering showers, scattered showers east of the Cascades. We're going to continue to see things winding down as we go through the overnight hours. Skies generally partly cloudy, and then tomorrow we have more storms in the forecast, especially in Siskiyou County up through Klamath and Lake County. There is a slight chance we could see a thunderstorm in Jackson and Josephine County, including in Medford, but a fairly slight chance at that. We missed out on a lot of the thunderstorm activity from today. But it was quite active as expected to the south and to the east. Notice those temperatures fairly seasonal tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, up to around 94 in Medford, low 80s expected in the basin. We have another red flag warning in place tomorrow where the thunderstorms will likely be scattered about in the afternoon into the evening. Siskiyou County, Klamath and Lake County, far eastern Jackson County, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Thursday. We will be concerned about new fire starts because of abundant lightning with these thunderstorms. Here's how things play out tomorrow. Notice as we head into the afternoon, thunderstorms blossoming on the east side into northern California. We can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm in Jackson, Josephine County tomorrow afternoon into the evening, but more likely to the south and to the east, seeing some more thunderstorms. Things will wind down quicker tomorrow evening, and then on Friday, once again, more storms in the forecast. Siskiyou County up along and east of the Cascades, but we may have a better opportunity at some storms into parts of at least southern Jackson, Josephine County, maybe into the Medford area. We'll watch that closely. On Saturday, though, not looking as active for the region. Thunderstorms much more isolated than what we've been seeing. So in the Rogue Valley, seasonal the next few days, at least a slight chance of a thunderstorm the next couple of days, but not expecting widespread thunderstorm activity in the Rogue Valley. Good chance for storms, though, up into the mountains heading to Crater Lake. Thunderstorms a pretty good bet the next couple of days. A slight chance of a thunderstorm on Saturday, definitely not looking like a washout. And then in the basin, it is going to stay fairly stormy tomorrow as well as Friday. A few isolated thunderstorms on Saturday, but it does look like by Sunday this weekend, thunderstorm activity could uptick across a good chunk of southern Oregon and northern California, even a slight chance for a thunderstorm in the Rogue Valley. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. We're going to stay dry, fairly bright skies over the next few days with breezy winds. Northern California, good chance for some more storms tomorrow and Friday. We'll still be watching for the potential at one or two of these storms in the region being on the strong to severe side. We did get a few severe storms earlier today. The basin staying active with the chances for thunderstorms. A little bit of a lull in the action on Saturday. Doesn't look too bad if you're going to be heading to the Klamath County Fair. Up into the mountains, more opportunities for storms through the weekend. Looks quieter next week. And then in the Rogue Valley, a slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow, Friday, again on Sunday. And notice a little bit of a drop in temperatures to end the weekend and start next week with highs in the 80s.